I'm sitting there doing my paperwork, and they dispatched a 48 that occurred at 47th and K15. I see the cement concrete truck stuck on the tracks with the fuel tank ripped off, laying in the middle of the tracks. I said, well, this isn't good. So I call up dispatch and tell them at that point that we need to shut the trains down, that the vehicle is on the tracks. As I'm making contact, I look over and see that the railroad alarms are coming down. And I look down over my shoulder and I see the train coming. At that point, I'm telling dispatch, you need to shut that train down. But I also realize that train ain't going to be able to stop in time. So, with Mr. Sullivan's help, me and him start yanking and tugging, and we get out of there.